Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I will be discussing how to download offline maps on Waze. So guys, to start with, there are no features on Waze to download offline maps, but I will show you an alternative solutions in order for you to do this. So maybe in the future, if Waze update the application, there will be a way to download the maps. But here, first open the Waze application. And now, once you are here on the Waze, you can just simply go ahead and, of course, provide the location where you are going to and tap on where to over here. And, of course, just simply pin a point or provide the information of the location. And now from here, you can just simply tap on view routes. Now over here, you can just simply select go now. And here, you should be able to have your map downloaded. So from here, if you turn off your Wi-Fi, guys, you should be able to still have the maps and make sure you have the power mode turned off. So from here, without internet connection, you could still access the route. And pretty much this is the way to download the offline maps on Waze. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.